So let's check out the am I recording? Okay, yeah, I'm recording. So let's check out the Northwest Missouri State University, which is a good thing. It's a state university. It's a public university. The world's public university is still better than the best private university. We say a lot. Okay, the tuition is average, mediocre, not high, not low. Let me check the rank because ranking can be a major factor in deciding. The rank is mediocre to bad. Here's one thing: why you really wanna go to a university, why you just can't go to your local community college unless that local community college is trying to do discrimination against you. Maybe you're ethnic minority, that's why they are not accepting you. Other than that, ask yourself a simple question: why you wanna waste your 4 year? You could travel around the world and then gain more experience than you can gain from a degree. If you want to become a lawyer, if you want to get into academic research based field, science field, maybe go and get a degree. For us, a lot of people don't need a degree, and the people cry why there are no jobs, why graduate with degree in McDonald's, in fast food, flipping the hamburger, because there is already a huge supply of graduate and less demand for the graduate. I hope this answered the question. Fight for the success, not passion. Success is based on the privilege, and privilege is based on the luck, which basically mean that we are not born equal. It was me, none other than Geek. Subscribe and bye.